Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making Farmer's Market Minestrone soup. Preheat a large stock pot over medium heat, then add the extra virgin olive oil and the diced onion. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onions are just turning translucent. Add the vegetable stock, long bean, sweet potato, corn, celery, diced tomato, crushed tomato, Parmesan cheese, granulated garlic, Italian seasoning, parsley, pepper, and carrot. Let the soup simmer for 25 to 30 minutes, adding some water if there isn't a lot of liquid. But keep in mind that this soup is meant to be hearty, not liquidy. Drizzle in the balsamic vinegar as a finishing flavor booster and add the edamame last so it keeps its gorgeous green color. Sprinkle a little garlic salt or regular salt. With a piece of chunky bread, this soup will be a satisfying vegetarian meal. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.